Begin in child's pose, your knees to the outer edges of the mat and your big toes touching in the center. Walking your hands gently forward, and as your arms reach out, allow your sit bones to move back toward your heels. Let the forehead rest down and take a moment to arrive. Feeling the points of contact, the shins grounding, the hips moving back, the hands reaching forward. Begin to lengthen from your fingertips, through your arms, through your spine, and then back toward the sit bones. Awareness to your breath, allowing it to move in and out through the nose. And now begin to walk both hands over to the right side of your mat. And as your hands move to the right, gently press your left hip back toward your left heel and pause here. Feel the length along the left side of the body, from the outer edge of your left hand, through the arm, through the side waist, and all the way to the hip. At the same time, allow the sit bones to stay heavy, moving back toward the heels. As you inhale, imagine the breath expanding into the left ribs and the side waist, creating space from the inside. And as you exhale, allow the body to soften deeper into the shape, a gentle release through the side body. And continue here. Inhale, expanding into the left side. Exhale, softening and lengthening. And now begin to walk your hands over to the left side. As your hands move to the left, gently press your right hip toward your right heel and pause. Feeling the length down the right side of the body, from the outer edge of your right hand through to the arm, through to the ribs, and down toward the hip. Let the fingertips reach forward. The arms are active without tension. The hips stay heavy, grounded back toward the heels. Conscious breathing. As you inhale, imagine the breath expanding into the right ribs and the side waist. And as you exhale, allow the body to soften and to settle. Continue here. Inhale, space through the side body. Exhale, gently release. And stay here for a few breaths. And when you're ready, slowly walk your hands back to the center, returning to child's pose. Feeling the length through both sides of the body, spaciousness across the back body as it gently rises and falls with the breath. And when you're ready, gently press into the hands and begin to rise.